Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Justina here. In today's video, guys, I will be showing you some of the facial products that I've been using to achieve a very glass and very glowy skin since I had my chicken pox. As I said earlier in my previous video that I had chicken pox 2 months ago. Since then, I've been so concerned. I've been looking for different type of products that will help me to fade my scars. And guys, I won't even lie, this is not even up to 2 months yet. Like, I think it's just a month that I've started using this product and I've seen tremendous changes. So in today's video, I think I will put the picture of my before, and so that you can compare it now with my present. Like, so without much delay, guys, let's jump right into today's video. So the first thing first is this Kojic Gluta Papaya soap. Guys, this soap is a 4-in-1. Is a body and facial soap. I decided not to use any facial soap since I'm trying to clear my dark spots, since I'm trying to clear like all the scars that comes with my chicken pox. And guys, I kid you not, this soap is very, very effective, super effective. It contains glutathione, it contains papaya, and it contains arbutin. And you know, like, these are the key ingredients if you want to fade dark spots or hyperpigmentation. And one thing, the good thing about this soap is that it's very affordable. And like I said, you don't even need, like, you can use this on your skin too. So if you are the type that probably you are on a budget, you don't want to spend, you are trying to probably work on a budget, this is a good buy for you. As a matter of, like I said, you can use it on your skin and you can use this on your face. I will recommend this soap any day, anytime. Guys, I just finished filming a video, so I just finished washing my face up and my face is well moisturized. That's the only reason why I'm not applying this soap now, but you will see it in my subsequent videos where I use it. Okay, so guys, after washing my face and drying my face, the next thing I like to do is to moisturize my face. And I like to use this our popular Vaseline. As you all know, that this particular product, this particular Vaseline, it helps in fading dark spots. So like I said, I've washed my face, guys. So this is me just applying the Vaseline. I will just apply it all over generously. I try not to be stingy. I try not to be stingy with myself with this my product that I'm trying to review, guys, with all these products. So after, the reason why I go in directly after washing my face is because I just feel the next thing to do is just to, you know, lock in the moisture. Just apply moisturizer, apply this particular brand of Vaseline on my face, this particular brand that I've been using for ages, guys. So I rub it all over my face, allow it to lock in the moisture. I just allow it to penetrate and enter into my skin. And be generous to your neck too, okay? So after moisturizing my face, the next thing I like to do to go in with this my Glutathione Papaya Extra Face Cream. This cream, like you can see, it's almost like I will just like go in and apply it, like, see, I don't do too much because I've realized how effective these products are. And I just, you know, just rub it all over my face. And one of the secrets of using a product is that, you know, after, don't just leave it on your skin. Massage it, okay? Thoroughly massage it so that it can penetrate deep, so that it can enter into your skin. So this product contain glutathione, it contains papaya extract, and it helps to clear dark spots, it helps to smoothen the skin, and it just make the skin to be super like soft and succulent, okay, just like baby bumps. So after applying my face cream, the next thing I like to do is to go in with my PS Fuchsia Bright Serum. This is a brightening serum. This serum contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to fade dark spots, heal scars. It helps to hydrate the skin. It also contains watermelon, and it helps to hydrate the skin. So I just go in and just apply it all over. See, all over my face, and just massage it all over and allow it to sink and penetrate deep into my skin. And one thing about this product is that I will put the price. They are very affordable. Everything is like 10k, is not more than 10k, under 10,000 naira. So like, so when we are converted to pound, let's just say under 10 pounds, and in naira is just under 10,000 naira. Just allow it to sit and just, you know, and like I said, try to extend it to onto your neck. Okay, just apply it like so. Just allow it to penetrate and to sit on my skin. So guys, the next product that I use is my sunscreen, and I use this Nivea sunscreen. As you can see, I'm using 50 plus, guys, because like I said, because I'm applying too much products on my face, and because I go out often, you might not necessarily need to use the 50 plus. But like I said, I just decided, like, I just, for me, I just kind of did like, I cannot be too careful, guys. I cannot be too careful. And I decided to buy the hydrating one because I need something to just hydrate my skin. Okay, and it's very affordable. So I think I bought it like, I think £4 or something. So, and I just apply it on my skin. Okay. One thing about this particular sunscreen is that, as you can see, it does not leave all those white scars, like all those white something. It doesn't leave the white, you know. There's some sunscreen that you use that your face will just be white. No, like this one just hydrates my skin. I love the way it make my skin feels. I can go about my day feeling protected. So guys, if you watch this video to this level and you are here to subscribe, why now? Kindly do so now. It's free of charge. Okay, kindly click on the subscribe button. I appreciate you. See you in my next video.